Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Regain. Regain means obtain possession or use of something. For example, she died without regaining consciousness. She died without regaining consciousness. Synonyms: recover, get back, win back.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Wool production recovered but never regained its former economic importance. Now, repeat after me. Wool production recovered but never regained its former economic importance. The second exemplar. Woodson intends to return only if he regains full strength. Now, repeat after me. Woodson intends to return only if he regains full strength. The third exemplar. I tried to slowly regain control of myself the next day. Now, repeat after me. I tried to slowly regain control of myself the next day.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Time is the most commonly used noun in English. Although, this can't be taken as a definitive answer because usages change every day, and the results are based on a single study conducted by Oxford Online.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.